Namaskar. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have a great Dr. Shilpa H. Dhruvanarayan. She is MD in Biochemistry from St. John's Medical College, and she has done stress psychology in healthcare professionals from London School of Business. And she has won 5 gold medals from Rajiv Gandhi Health University for her MBBS when she topped the university. Now she is a professor, head of the Department of Lab Director in Dr. Chandrama Sagar Medical College. Welcome, Shilpa. And today being the Holi Hunnime or the Holi, let us all wish our viewers a happy, very healthy and prosperous Holi. Please tell us this importance of this Holi.
Namaskar, madam. I would like to wish you and all our viewers a very happy, vibrant and prosperous Holi too. This Holi festival is celebrated on a full moon day, as we had lunar eclipse yesterday. So in the Phalguna Masa, as per the Panchanga, unfortunately or fortunately, it is a natural phenomenon. We had an eclipse yesterday, so we are celebrating the Holi festival today. So this Holi festival comes in the season of spring. They say that it is equivalent to Thanksgiving in the US too. So yes, this has its own rich cultural history as per our Indian history.
And thousands of years of history, not just 1 or 2 decades.
Yes. Sanatana Dharma. It has been mentioned in Narada Purana, Bhavishya Purana, which has come down from Krita Yuga or Satya Yuga. So the very famous story which is attached to this Holi festival is that of Prahalada and Hiranyakashipu. As we know, Lord Vishnu took the form of Narasimha for the sake of his devotee Prahalada, who was troubled to the extent that he was being tried to kill by his own father Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu tries in many ways to kill Prahalada only because Prahalada did not accept him as God. He said, "You are not the God. We have one supreme Lord, that is Sri Hari Vishnu." And he was always engaged in chanting Vishnu's names. So that being the reason, Hiranyakashipu wanted to eliminate his own son. He will be just 5 years old. He will try in many ways. He will push him from top of a hillock or a mountain. He will get him trampled under the feet of powerful elephants. He will feed him with a very, very powerful poison. Nothing will work. We see that how a father tries to kill his own son because of his ego. So this is a very, very,
I think more than the ego, that he himself, he thinks that he is a superpower and supreme, and he himself is a God, and that is the one which destroys the sane thinking. The sane thinking is always destroyed when we are having this sort of ego.
Yes. So as a last resort, what he will do is he will have a sister called Holika. So he will ask his sister to help him in the act of killing his own son. Holika will have a special boon, that is, she will have a special blanket or a clothing which will protect her from any harm caused by fire.
That is a fireproof covering.
Yes, exactly. It's like a fireproof covering. So what he will request her is, I will light a huge fire. So you can take Prahalada, place him on your lap and sit in between the fire, so that anyway you will be protected, and let Prahalada get destroyed. Let him burn down to ashes. She, being a woman, women, we have this natural motherly instinct towards any child. Being
that affection and the love for the children is universal. I also love children. But any woman who doesn't love, and that to her own brother's child, that is the evil mind. Only the evil mind can think of that. Yes.
Definitely. She will be a Daitya Kanne and she will be full of only evil intentions. So she will not even see that he is a 5-year-old little nephew, her own brother's son. She will take him and she will place him on her lap and sit in between the pyre. Once the pyre is lighted, a miracle will happen. The fireproof blanket, which is supposed to protect her, will move away from her and protect little Prahalada, because he will be chanting Lord Vishnu's names, and Prahalada will be protected, but Holika will be burned down to ashes. So we see the significance, the importance, and the effects, how powerful the chanting of Lord Vishnu's name
That
is.
means the devotion or the bhakti is the greatest protection for any bhakta or a devotee. And that's what it shows. Yes.
Yes. And also the destruction of evil. It also symbolizes that, Holika will be only with evil intent. So she will not
this
have...
we call it as a karma phala. Whatever you do, for that you get the thing. You do the bad comes back to you. You do the good comes back to you. So it is a karma phala. Yes.
Yes. Actually, in Sanatana Dharma, it is said that you should not even forget about doing in action. You should not even think bad.
Think of it. Yeah.
Yes.
Not even think of it. Yes.
Think bad for others. Ours is a wonderful, wonderful dharma. So
Dharma,
it is a living, such a good illustration of what destiny the people who would want to do harm to others are met with, is symbolized or is shown by Holika Dahan. So the previous day of Holi, the night, is celebrated as Holika Dahan in especially in North India and many other parts of our country. And symbolically also it denotes destruction of evil. We have to destroy our evil thoughts, not just lighting the pyre. Along with the pyre, all our evil thoughts should be burned down, and let goodness come to us and everybody else.
And not only this, we also call it as Kama Dahana, and that story also is very equally interesting. Please tell us that.
Definitely. We all have heard of Manmatha or Kamadeva. So once what will happen, Rudradeva or Shiva will be engaged in a very deep penance. So Kamadeva will be, worried that the system or the process of procreation...
all the gods together, they provoke him to go and disturb Shiva's penance.
Yes.
The reason is because the Asura would have got a boon from Brahma that only Shiva's son will kill him. And that is the reason it was very pertinent and important that Shiva comes out and gets married to Parvati and get a child. So that is the reason he does. He does it with a good intention, not to disturb the penance. Yeah.
Yes. With every what appears to be, as a negligence or ignorance, it will have some deeper meaning within. That is the speciality of we have to recognize it. So Kamadeva or Manmatha will shoot an arrow towards Shiva. So Shiva will open his third eye and Kamadeva will be burned down to ashes. So, and then Kamadeva's wife, Rati Devi, will come and pray to Lord Shiva. She will do a deep penance and Shiva will give a boon that Kamadeva will be reborn and as the son of Krishna, that is Aniruddha, in Dwapara Yuga. So this is also associated with, destruction of what we call Arishad Vargas.
Until then, he will be without the body. He will be there throughout the universe, giving the love and affection and giving positive things to the people. And that's what he gives the boon. Yeah.
Yes. In a formless way, he will be there.
He'll be there.
And that is why this is also called as Kamana Habba.
Spring.
The spring, Kamana Habba. Symbolically, we should say that what we call as Arishad Vargas, which are there, anger, ego, lust, all these things should be destroyed in this bonfire or the pyre of Holi, which is lit the previous day. And the next day, with all goodness, with all good intentions, we play with colors. The
Correct.
colors also
And
have
in fact, after burning, they take the ash and apply as a vibhuti or bhasma. And some of the farmers, they mix their seeds with this bhasma and put it in their field, so that the yield comes better and the protection is there for their crop also. So that's
Yes,
how people have so much of faith in this. Yeah.
yes, madam. And playing with colors, it's really, earlier days only gulal, as you're wearing the gulal, the pink color,
Yes.
only gulal was there. Nowadays, so many other colors have come. It is
Yes.
better to source colors from natural, sources. Natural colors are available. That is how we used to make colors in the ancient India using
Yeah.
flowers, leaves, and water.
Yeah.
So that even now, if we do a little bit of research, we get these natural colors, not with
Correct.
chemicals, because chemicals can cause, skin problems and health
Yeah, the
issues.
contact dermatitis, irritation, and sometimes when they go into the eyes also can become red, and some of the colors, especially the dark black colors, it is very difficult. Like a tar, they mix, and that's all very bad. They should not do that because the skin will be burned. Yeah.
Yes, so while selecting the colors, we have to be very careful and avoid all those harmful colors. And playing with colors is also, intermingling. The story of Radha Krishna
And
is also
Radha Krishna is
associated.
a wonderful thing,
Yes.
because Krishna Paramatma himself comes on earth to play and show how this holy Hunime or the playing of the color has to be done. What a wonderful Leela that he has played,
Yes. Yes, Krishna will be a little dark skin and Radha will be fair skin. So he will
Very
go and
fair,
ask
yeah.
his mother. So what to do?
Correct.
So Yashoda will say that you apply color on her, the blue color,
Blue
so that
color, yeah.
yeah, so that both seem equal, and he will do that. So this is another story which is associated with Holi, especially with playing or with
Yes.
playing from colors. So Radha Krishna's pure love and devotion
Yes.
also comes into, memories when we
And in
celebrate
some of
Holi.
the societies, the girls are also worshipped, they are decorated, and
Yes.
that also is there.
Yes,
Yeah.
especially in South India, girls less than 5 years, we see Durga Sannidhana in them, and they are adorned with garlands made of eatable things like the sugar, small kusri kalu sugar candies, puffed rice, especially puffed
Yeah.
rice. And they are given some gifts like bangles or Mangala Dravya, what we call. So we give them and we honor the girls, keeping in mind that they carry the Sannidhana of Kanika Parameshwari or Devi, Durga
Yeah.
Devi. And playing with colors, as we all know, it is anyway there, mingling.
Yeah.
Usually
Yeah.
in Indian festivals, ladies are not, very much coming out and playing and dancing like
They
this,
are
except in
busy
Holi.
cooking and feeding
Yes.
and distributing the fruits and
Yes.
pleasantries.
Kumkum, yes.
Yeah. But here they are equally active in dancing and singing along with others. Yes.
Yes, so this festival is very unique in Sanatana Dharma, that this is the only festival where ladies, gents, children, without any differentiation or discrimination,
Old
they
or
come.
young, no difference at all. All human beings, everyone, not only the human beings, the whole surrounding, the Vasanta Kala, it is flowering and the new leaves are there, and it is such a pleasant thing. Yeah, correct.
Definitely, madam. So without any differentiation, everybody comes out and plays with the colors, forgetting all the evil or bad intentions with only goodness in their minds. So this is a very
But
special.
one worryable thing, Shilpa, what makes me feel very bad is just the other day the paper advertisement was there that during this Holi, the government is expecting the maximum amount of liquor sale, and this is a shameful and a very bad thing, because liquor is the one which takes away the control on your mind, and they go for swechachara or the wrongdoings. And here it is a pure love and affection that is important in this festival. And if they take alcohol, it is totally destroy the very basic essence of this festival. Yeah.
Very rightly said, madam. Alcohol is never mentioned in our history. So I would request all the viewers
No
to
Purana,
celebrate
no
Holi.
story, nothing is there.
Nothing
Yeah,
mentions
correct.
alcohol. It is a very, very wrong concept. Let us all celebrate Holi in a good way, with colors, with lots of sweet, healthy dishes, and with Lord's worship.
Yeah, let us all eat holige tuppa and then enjoy and make everyone happy, and let us all be very healthy, happy, without any using of the bad colors and the bad alcohol. Wish you all a very happy Holi.
Holi.
Okay, thank you.